Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Microsoft Foundry Discover. Let's get started. So once you navigate into the Discover section, and then today we are looking into the tools that are available. So once you navigate into the tools, and you can see there are like close to 1400 plus tools available. So tools are nothing but you can add these more like MCP servers that you can add it to your custom models. So if you navigate into a model, once you're creating a model, so if you create a model, you can add the tools here. So for the tools to be available to add here, so you'd be doing that in the tool section, and you can connect to a tool. So before doing that, let's go back into the Discover, click on Tool section, and then you can see the number of tools available. There are a lot of custom tools, there are remote MCP servers, there are a lot of local MCP servers. Let's take a quick look at the local MCP. You can see these are the MCP servers that you can host on Azure and then internally consume that. Like Managed Redis, MongoDB, SQL is a good one, an Azure MCP server where you can have some specifications and then you can directly use them. Cosmos DB and then the Postgres. So if you look into the remote, the most common one I've seen most of the time is GitHub. So you can add GitHub tools and then eventually your agent can talk, do a code check-in or create a branch or a lot of other things that it can access with the GitHub. And then there are a lot more tools available that you don't have to host yourself, but directly you can consume them. These are custom tools where it can be hosted anywhere else, and then you can consume them directly within your Azure Foundry. It's a quick rundown. We will look further into this topic and see how you can connect the tools in the upcoming episodes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week with another topic. Thank you.